If you're tired of weak, muffled sound from tiny speakers that can't fill a room or outdoor space, this Bobtot portable Bluetooth speaker delivers surprisingly powerful 5-watt stereo sound with balanced mid-range, crisp treble, and punchy bass from its 2-inch full-range driver. Advanced digital signal processing ensures zero distortion, even at maximum volume. The 24-hour battery life eliminates constant recharging anxiety during camping trips or all-day events. The TWS pairing lets you connect 2 speakers for true stereo sound, while the IPX5 waterproofing handles splashes and outdoor conditions. Its Bluetooth 5.4 provides stable 33-foot range connectivity for seamless music streaming.